Hi there, this week we're going to continue our project with the blue hyacinth, and we're going to be painting the little stem with all the flowers on it, but most of them are closed, so it's going to be lots of little buds that we're painting. And this is quite a detailed project. I wouldn't say it was really advanced, so I think it's good for everyone to have a go at it, but it is quite a labour intensive little study, so do allow plenty of time for it. So I've added my little bud on, and we're going to build this project over a few sessions so that we can actually see how we build a really nice complex study of a plant. So this is quite an intense little project, but you're going to get to use all of your lovely little brushes and practice. Good luck.